What's up guys, TechShan here back with another video. Not sure if we'll be returning to cinema theaters anytime soon, but setting up a real cinema experience at home just got easy. Today, I have an amazing projector for you guys. In fact, what if I tell you, it can maybe replace your TV for movie watching?
What?
Yep, many of you guys have been asking me to feature a true Full HD resolution projector with good picture quality on a decent budget with good inbuilt speakers that you can use even with lights turned on. Sounds interesting. Sit back and enjoy, and as always, if you end up liking this video, make sure to smash the like button. That's all I request from you guys. Just takes a second. I hope you guys will do it. Alright. Here you go, meet VP2 from Blitzwolf. Wow, that's a big retail box. Blitzwolf is a well-known brand for quality tech products, and this again is an impressive one in their long list. Cut open, in the box we have the projector, then a small white box with accessories. We have a user manual, which is a must read. Then a remote with all common controls. It's powered by two AAA batteries, HDMI cable, VGA cable to connect your laptop if needed, AV cable to connect your setup box, DVD player, etc. Then power cable, and finally height adjustment screw. We'll show you how it works in a bit. That's about it. Here is a closer look at the Blitzwolf VP2 Full HD projector. Build is super good, top notch. Yup, you will say the same if you see this in person. The entire body is made of ABS plastic and is very sturdy. Sure is a big projector with a premium build and definitely has some weight to it. Here are the dimensions for your reference. Top, you have this nice metal texture finish making it look elegant. And here are the controls. You totally have 9 buttons. Ooh! Either you can use the remote or control it directly from here. You have an LED indicator, power on off button, menu, source selection, up down, left right, even can be used to reduce volume. Back button, then an OK button. To the front you have the lens with the lens cap and the infrared sensor for the remote. One side you have the speaker grill, and here the lens focus and keystone correction ring so that you can adjust the picture clarity and angle as per your distance from the wall. Other side, air vents. To the back is where you have all the connectivity ports. Another IR sensor for the remote, HDMI port to connect external devices to it, 3.5mm audio port to connect external speakers or even a headset, the AV port to connect all devices. You can use the cable in the box. Another HDMI port, 2 USB ports to connect pen drive, hard disk, VGA port to connect your old laptop, and finally here the power port to connect the power cable. You also have air vents here. Flipping to the bottom, rubber stands for grip, and here a tripod mount slot which you can use for height adjustment using the screw in the box. Alright, I know you guys will have a lot of questions about this projector. Can we do this? Can we do that? Well, let me go ahead and answer the most common questions in my FAQ style so that you're totally clear. But before that, have you guys downloaded my newly launched game Shan's Treasure Hunt? This week I have launched version 4, which is totally a major update. Easy gameplay, common bug fixes, and introducing 4 new amazing levels. Volcano Island, Underwater, Snow Island, and Planet Mars. To top it all, I've also introduced a new character, PUBG Shan. He is cute. Trust me, this game is super fun and addictive. Best of all, comes with no ads and you can play the game offline. Go ahead and download it from the Google Play Store. Search for TechShan and install. I'm sure you will love it. Existing users, make sure to update your app. Okay, now let's move on with the questions.
Shan, can I ask those questions?
Okay.
First question, how to use this projector?
Well, place the projector on a flat table against a white wall, or you can mount it on a normal tripod. Connect the power cable and turn on. The distance from the wall depends on how big you want to project. Do note projection can go up to 300 inches with no issues. Next, adjust the focus ring and keystone ring to make sure the picture clarity is good, and you're all set. What you're seeing here is the UI. It's very simple and easy to understand.
Second question, what is the resolution of the projector and its life?
Well, its native resolution is 1920 x 1080 pixels with 16:9 and 4:3 aspect ratio. It's 6500 lumens bright with 150 watts LED, bright enough to use with lights turned on. and commits 30,000 hours of lamp life. That's about 6 to 7 years of usage, even if you use it for 8 to 10 hours a day.
Third question. How is the picture quality? And what file formats are supported?
Well, picture quality is just amazing. You will be stunned. What you're seeing here is 85-inch projection. But as said, this can go up to 300 inches with no issues. More than the sample video that you're seeing, in person you will be surprised. My camera is totally not doing justice here, since it's dark. Take my word, outstanding picture quality for a cinema-like watching experience. In fact, you don't get to see any pixels when you get closer. I would say this projector is the best in this range, and I personally would compare it with an entry-level high-end Epson projector. This can support max Full HD videos up to 60 FPS and it works flawless. As you can see, I'm playing a file from my drive. You can connect max 1 TB hard drives. I did try 4K MKV files and it's smooth as well with no issues. Video file formats supported are MPG, AV, TS, MOV, MKV, DAT, MP4, VOB. On the audio, it supports WMA, LPCM, MP3, WAC, M4A. These are common file formats. Given its high brightness, you can also use the projector with lights turned on. But when turned off, the picture quality will make you say, wow. Usually projectors are meant to be used with lights turned off. Do note that.
Fourth question. Can I use it without internet?
Yes, it does not use internet. It plays content from hard disks, pen drives, or projects devices connected to it, say laptop or even your TV setup box.
Fifth question. Is there any way I can stream content from like YouTube, Netflix, etc.?
Well, you can either connect your laptop to it with a normal HDMI cable and stream YouTube, Netflix, etc. Or even better, get an Android TV box or an Amazon Fire Stick and connect it to the HDMI port of the projector to make it smart and stream. There is also an Android version of this projector for a higher price, but frankly, this would be more than enough.
Sixth question. Can I connect gaming consoles like Xbox or PS4?
Hell yeah! Here I have connected my Xbox 360 game console to it via HDMI, and the gameplay experience is just wow. You will love it.
Seventh question. Can I mirror smartphones or tablets?
Well, not directly. Maybe if you connect an Android TV box or Fire Stick, you can do that.
Eighth question. Does it have inbuilt speakers? Can I connect external speakers?
Yes, it does have two 5-watt speakers inbuilt with a total output of 10 watts, and it's amazing. Loud and surprisingly clear audio. Here is a sample. However, you may also connect external speakers, soundbar via the 3.5mm audio port at the back.
Ninth question. Can I mount this on the ceiling?
Yes, you can. It has options in the settings to invert the image as well.
10th question. Can I use it for office presentations or displaying text?
Yes, for sure. And it looks really good.
11th question. Anything that you don't like about this projector?
Well, frankly, given its price and picture quality, nothing major. If I have to say, well, could have supported direct wireless mirroring for mobile by default. Minus that, nothing major.
My final question. How much does it cost?
Well, this costs around Rs 13,500 with a coupon and has no customs. But price might fluctuate plus or minus time to time. It's not in my control, guys. So please understand. Trust me, in this range, I'm sure you won't get a better projector. I'm saying this after having tested many. If you're planning to enjoy movies, etc. on a large canvas at home or planning to set up a mini cinema theater at home, this is one thing that won't disappoint. So go grab one and you'll be happy. I will leave the Best Buy link in the description with the coupon. After the complete lockdown is over, check it out. Make sure to choose India Direct Mail shipping option. Alright, I think I've answered most of the common questions. Got more? Drop them in the comments, we'll try to answer it. So that's the Blitzwolf VP2, a budget-friendly Full HD projector that can give you a near to cinema theater experience at home. Premium build, amazing picture quality even in daylight, up to 4K playback support, ample connectivity options for all devices with good inbuilt speakers, totally worth it. So, hope you found this video interesting. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech content. We'll catch you in another exciting video. Until then.